Welcome to the leading site news.
KSA, KARSA, KRA, KAASDCOM, lapen Dillai Aropi atum pen MLA Dr. Numal Momin Amephi kekaipon. Pai ni paitrok lakai korai si Borjan constituency angkang KSA, KARSA, KRA, KAASDCOM lapen Dillai arat atum celang petpen Assam Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker MLA Dr. Numal Momin Karbianglong lapen di Mahasau Hemprek kehang Article 244A aputhak kaning jedam kicok ciajok Dillai arat Erset prung setpen aseang tong cipidosi Dr. Numal Momin Amephi kekaipon. KSA Amephi archok singnar chunbang Devan Singh Be, KARSA Amephi Rani Timung Pi, chunbang Phi Jun Timung Pi, KAASDCOM Amephi Rup Singh Timung, chunbang Chondro Teron lapen KRA Amephi Bila Singh Timung atum pen Japon si labang so Amephi kekaipon ajamek dengpon.
Dillai hawar along posisi kecil dang kokma laki ilitum ala along inut MLA akai alang di dalam kaninje kecok ce ilitum ningkan di gap anlo non an kepleng hempre kecil along sita meli tumpan medical college dolo tang lason dolo tang la sinon ke nang tum article 244A le ko pisken nang lang la an la selo polam nang tipok posinili tum ke la alang li Numal Momin pan bangke condemn nang kok lo nilitum ke pini bangke mepi kai nang kok lo ke pipo sike kai ke nang kok man nilitum song pen nilitum Dillai hawar ke doan nilitum KRA tado lapen KAASDCOM branch pen tado lapen tu KSA tum Jepang tang lo lapen tu karbisor lo mai tum tado lo lasana tak KSA unity tum tado lo lapen tu adhek tum bangke politician pen tado la sinili tumbang ke an ke la bang ke nili tung kopi posi la support condemn de dat po article 244A ke India Constitution na long si article 244A nang kipi pitang kok arona teng alang li takachini nele la solam kaning je kali si tamia lang li chini lor sinili tum karbia pan ke te kiting panang lang plot pensi la analam nang kaning je posi nili tum tapinial ni ke nili tum je sok nang kok lo Dillai hawara lo la sinili tum ke la ke ning sam se lai nunut pan ke nili tum ke la si pati toy der lo me pita kai nang kok lo la pen nili tum angri sinili tum Dillai hawara tum ke men tong sokot pusita men nili tum ke angri si don pesta cingri san nili tum la ke kroi krebi no la si piniane ka chesong pa melo la si lam teta nili la an si rip check po kardo
Murabad! Thank you to all the media person for visiting to our Dillai area during our protests to against we condemn for the Dr. Numal Momin. We the KRA Student Associations, KARSA, KRA and KAASDCOM, and to all the KRA we condemn and all the KRA we condemn Dr. Numal Momin for his statement for saying that since our brother and sister has been sacrificed for this our autonomous state, and he has saying that all sacrifice done by our brother and sister by KRA and Dim houses, he has been saying that our statement, our demand is useless. So we condemn Dr. Numal Momin for saying such statement, since he is the deputy speaker of our Assam, and since he don't know what is the constitutions of 244A, and he's saying that all the facilities is given to our KRA, but how he forgot that we KRA and the Dima houses, all the Dima houses, we all are sacrificing for this autonomous state, but he's saying that our statement is useless.